Hello, now we take up this problem. The length of the wire between two ends of a sonometer is 100 centimeter. What should be the positions of two bridges below the wire so that the three segments of the wire have their fundamental frequencies in the ratio 1:3:5? For options, option 1 1500 by 23 centimeter, 500 by 23 centimeter. Option 2 1500 by 23 centimeter, 300 by 23 centimeter. Option 3 300 by 23 centimeter, 1500 by 23 centimeter. Option 4 1500 by 23 centimeter, 2000 by 23 centimeter. The question is on a sonometer whose wire has got a length 100 centimeter. We now see the solution. The formula for the fundamental frequency in the case of sonometer is 1 by 2L root T by M. In this, N is the fundamental frequency, T is the tension on the string, M is linear density defined as mass per unit length. So N is equal to 1 by 2L root T by M. From this formula we observe that N is inversely proportional to L. T and M, when they are constants, we can say N is inversely proportional to L. Or we can also say L is inversely proportional to N, because we want length ratio. We can say here L is inversely proportional to N. Other quantities are constants. Now we want length ratio. Therefore we have to get the reciprocal ratio of the fundamental frequencies. It is given the ratio of the fundamental frequencies is 1:3:5. Simply find the reciprocal ratio of the fundamental frequencies. So the answer is going to be option 4. We will see how. See here, ratio of the length should be reciprocal ratio of fundamental frequencies, but the ratio of the frequencies 1:3:5. That is 1:1 by 3:1 by 5, which can be written as 15:5:3. That is, imagine each number here is multiplied by 15, the LCM. So 15:5:3. So ratio of the length should be in this. Total length is 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter now should be divided in the ratio 15:5:3. So L1, first length, as you see here, 15 by 23 into 100. How this 23 came? 15 plus 5 plus 23. This 15 is for the first segment. 15 by 23 into the total length. So 15 by 23 into 100, 1500 by 23 centimeter. That's fine. Then L2, this 5 is there, So 5 by 23 into 100. That is 500 by 23 centimeter. But the question is not simply asking the length of this segment. The question is asking the position of the bridges. B1 is first bridge, B2 is the second bridge. B2's position, of course, from the end A, it means, therefore you will have to add L1 plus L2, meaning you have to find AC, which is L1 plus L2. So 1500 plus 500 by 23, 2000 by 23 centimeter. That is position of B2. Of course, position of B1 will be L1, that is from the end A. So that is 1500 by 23 centimeter. So the answers are 1500 by 23 centimeter and 2000 by 23 centimeter. So correct option is option 4. Have you understood this? Thank you.